Well, scientists are unlocking ways a common pastime can do wonders for the brain.
In this Healthy Mind Matters report, Heather Simonson explains how certain video games are treating mental illness.
This might look like a fun way to spend an afternoon.
They get addicting.
But it can also be so much more.
Touch the shovel to start planting.
Games are helping Lori Featherstone treat her depression.
I thought, I don't have anything really to live for.
Lori faced her second severe case a few years ago. This time, antidepressants didn't work.
I felt like it was controlling my life. It ended up being quite devastating, I guess.
Drugs are less effective in the aging brain, doctors say, leaving older patients with fewer options.
Because when you go to someone like me and you say I'm depressed, or you report the symptoms, you expect me to say, okay, well, you should take some medicine or you should go to therapy. And so we're really proposing a third, very odd option to patients.
Dr. Shizuko Morimoto, a neuroscientist, treated Lori with video games designed to target the cognitive control center of the brain, which malfunctions in depressed patients. In 3 clinical trials, they've reduced isolation and depression in patients ages 60 to 85. Now scientists hope to prove it on a larger scale with a $7.5 million grant from the National Institute of Mental Health. To protect the study, Lori isn't playing one of the test games, but here's a short clip researchers shared of a game used to treat patients.
From the colors to the images, everything is designed specifically to be interesting and palatable to older adults.
I would really like it if something sort of dropped.
Roger Altizer designed them. One is a word game, the other a gardening game.
Flowers are growing and you're tapping on watering buckets and you're shooing away bugs and you're looking at the weather.
But there's much more going on behind the colorful flowers. The better you get at the game, the harder it becomes. It also charts your progress, giving vital feedback and improving care.
Lori says it's an intense workout.
It felt like I'd gone out and ran a, 5K race, but with my brain.
That shift in thinking worked for her.
Yeah, even my kids and my husband said that they noticed a difference. It's helping me not, I guess, to feel stagnant in my brain, or my emotions.
Tapping into a digital world of treatment to treat mental illness. For Healthy Mind Matters, Heather Simonson, KSL 5 News.
Heather, thank you. Scientists say they're at the forefront of discovering what video games can treat. Soon, they'll be a normal part of healthcare. In fact, in the next 5 years, they even expect to see prescription medical games and apps to treat many types of mental illnesses.